Okay, this is my last video. I think I'll hope I get a million views, or you know I was just abused. Let's see how fast this was. Did you just see that? Oh, I got stuck in there. Wait. Mm, I didn't hit you. Oh my god. Okay, now you better watch out because it's faster. When friends sucks up their poop.